हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो सब लोग? ऑल गुड, सब कुछ बढ़िया। तो यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन है, देखो। इट वाज आस्क्ड इन नीट 2020। क्या क्वेश्चन है, पढ़ेंगे। अ वायर ऑफ लेंथ L, area of cross section A is hanging from a fixed support. The length of wire changes to L1 when the mass M is suspended from its free end. The expression for Young's modulus is, okay, तो यहाँ पर एक इट्स ए वायर है। ओके, तो ऐसे एक वायर है जिसकी लेंथ L है और जिसका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है A। ओके, नाउ द लेंथ ऑफ वायर चेंजेस टू L1। इस वायर की लेंथ क्या हुई, चेंज हुई L1। ओके, कब? when you attach some mass to it, okay, when mass is, I can say mass M is suspended from its free end. So let's say, hmm. Now the expression of Young's modulus. Now what is that Young's modulus? We know that, okay, it is what denoted by letter Y. It's nothing but within this elastic limit, your stress is directly proportional to the strain. Okay, so it will be stress upon strain. Fine. Now what stress? It's nothing but force upon area, right? F upon A divided by force upon cross section area divided by strain is what? Change in length divided by original length, right? Now here the force is what? M into gravitational acceleration G, right? So the weight of that mass, that will be, let's say, mg. So it will be mg divided by A, and change in length. Okay, it's what the wire changes to L1. So which means change in length, you will get L1 minus L, original length, divided by original length. Okay, so if you can just simplify it, you will get mgl divided by A in bracket L1 minus L. So like, it's not simple question. Just with the help of one single formula, you can solve it. Okay, so I think mgl. So C1 is what? Right answer. Okay, fine. Bye bye.